My name is Alina Boyd, and today I'll be baking chocolate covered strawberries. I'm going to wash the strawberries. When washing the strawberries, make sure that the water is like room temperature. Now I'm going to melt the chocolate. Okay, so now let's see if the product is finished. Okay, here you go. You want to put it in the refrigerator. Valentine's Day is coming up. You know, make this little treat for like your loved ones, your parents, your friends, anybody. Okay, it's a little bit messy because I like to put extra chocolate in my strawberries, but it's still good. This is really good.